Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Leon coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Monday, August 31st, 2015. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 61 degrees. We are expecting a high of 86 and a low of 67 with mostly sunny skies. Now please stand up and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Sarah, Landon,
Matt,
Chris.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports yesterday, the Cubs won against the Los Angeles Dodgers with a score of 2-0. The White Sox won against the Seattle Mariners with a score of 6-5. Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know which professional sports teams have won the most championships? In football, the Pittsburgh Steelers have won the Super Bowl 6 times. In basketball, the Boston Celtics have won the trophy 14 times. In hockey, the Montreal Canadiens have won the Stanley Cup 24 times. And in baseball, the New York Yankees have won the World Series 27 times. That's all for today. Have a marvelous Monday.